Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how to set Spotify song as a ringtone. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Since Android phone does not have many limitations on the transformation between devices, so you can get Spotify as a ringtone with simpler and easier step. So what you need to do is you can directly transfer the downloaded Spotify track to your Android phone by using a USB cable. So for that you need a laptop. You'll need to download the song on your device, and after that you can transfer it to your phone using your USB cable. After you're done transferring your downloaded file, you need to open up your settings application on your mobile phone, and you need to scroll down and then click on sound and vibration. After you click on sound and vibration on the other interface, once again you'll be able to see a list of options, and from there you need to click on ringtone in order to access the menu. So moving on, next interface, you need to click on the plus icon in the upper right corner of your screen and then select the downloaded Spotify music from the folder that you've stored. And once you're on this page, you need to select the music that you want to set it as your ringtone. Once you're done selecting it, click on done in the top right corner. As soon as you exit the settings application, your new Spotify song will be set as your ringtone on your device. And that is how you can set Spotify song as ringtone. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.